Today we are going to solve a problem, and the problem is root of x plus root of x plus root of x is equal to 2. We need to solve this problem. Most of the students mess this up. Let's start this problem. First of all, I'm going to take the square on both sides. When I do that, I'm going to get x plus root of x plus root of x is equal to 4. Now I can subtract on both sides with x. When I do that, I'm going to get root of x plus root of x is equal to 4 minus x. We can see that there is a square root on the left side, and we know that square root are non-negative. This means 4 minus x is greater than equal to 0. So x will be less than equal to 4. Now we can take square on both sides. When we take that, we are going to get x plus root of x is equal to 4 minus x whole square. Now I can expand the square on the right side. When I do that, I'm going to get x plus root of x is equal to 16 minus 8x plus x square. Now after that, I can subtract x on both sides. When I do that, I'm going to get root of x is equal to 16 minus 9x plus x square. Now we can let t is equal to root of x. This means x will be equal to t square and x square will be equal to t power 4. When I substitute the value, I'm going to get t is equal to t power 4 minus 9t square plus 16. Now I can rearrange the terms. When I do that, I'm going to get t power 4 minus 9t square minus t plus 16 is equal to 0. Now I can test x is equal to 1. When I substitute the value, I'm going to get root of 1 plus root of 2, which is less than 2. Now I can test x is equal to 2. Our answer will be greater than 2. This means our solution lies between 1 and 2. When we use the numerical approximation, we are going to get the value of x that will be equal to 1.678. This is our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.